The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S returns with a bold blend of cruiser comfort and sport bike performance. Perfectly tailored for riders who want relaxed ergonomics without sacrificing power, the Vulcan S continues to redefine what a middleweight cruiser can offer. Welcome to Zee Autoadvisor, where today we explore the 2025 edition of this stylish, versatile, and rider-friendly machine. Design and style, a cruiser with attitude. The Vulcan S stands apart from traditional cruisers with its modern, sporty styling. For 2025, Kawasaki introduces subtle refinements in paint schemes, matte finishes, and body graphics that enhance its urban cruiser identity. The low-slung frame, sculpted fuel tank, and distinctive LED headlight provide an aggressive yet approachable presence on the road. It's a design that appeals to both beginner and experienced riders alike. Ergonomics, comfort made personal. What truly sets the Vulcan S apart is Kawasaki's signature ErgoFit system. Riders can customize the bike's handlebar, foot peg, and seat positions to perfectly match their height and riding style. This means whether you're tall, short, or anywhere in between, the 2025 Vulcan S is built to fit you like a glove. The low seat height and relaxed riding position make it ideal for city cruising as well as longer highway journeys. Engine and performance, smooth yet punchy. At the heart of the 2025 Vulcan S lies a refined 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same engine found in Kawasaki's Ninja 650. Tuned for mid-range torque and smooth power delivery, it offers approximately 61 PS and 63 Nm of torque. Whether you're cruising at low RPMs or accelerating on the highway, the engine feels responsive and confident. Paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox, the ride remains smooth and engaging. Ride and handling, cruiser comfort meets sport bike agility. Unlike many bulky cruisers, the Vulcan S is surprisingly nimble. Its diamond-type frame and well-balanced chassis make maneuvering through traffic and tight corners effortless. The telescopic front forks and single rear shock with adjustable preload ensure a comfortable ride over varied road conditions. The lightweight design and balanced weight distribution give it sport bike-like agility without compromising cruiser comfort. Braking and safety, confidence at every stop. For 2025, Kawasaki continues with a single 300mm front disc and 250mm rear disc setup, supported by dual-channel ABS for added safety. Braking is progressive and confident, even in wet or unpredictable conditions. The wide tires provide excellent grip and stability, giving riders the confidence to ride in all environments. Features and instrumentation, minimal yet modern. The Vulcan S keeps things simple with a semi-digital instrument cluster that includes an analog tachometer and a digital screen for speed, gear position, trip meters, fuel level, and clock. While it doesn't overload the rider with electronics, what it offers is practical and focused on the ride. T.